Hello and welcome back. Let's discuss about what market is doing, right? So as per my thinking, this was not previously, right? So if I tell you, this is the momentum, we can say it's a one-way momentum of 300 plus points, right? So 300 point plus momentum done, and after that you can clearly see 100 point is a retracement, right? You can clearly see yesterday's low or yesterday's high, yesterday's big support are going to test, right? So market open a gap up, went down, went up, again came down, and with a small price action, or we can say with a slowly it is coming down, right? You can say it's accumulating, or you can say it's premium decay, you can say anything, right? If I switch to the 1 minute time frame, you can clearly see over here, just look at the momentum of the market, right, where it is going, right? If I tell you over here, just a second, upside downside, right? So this is how market behaves, right? But if market is in downtrend, it will go straight away down. But here we have seen on higher time frame or in the previous day, 300 plus movement is turned, right? So 300 point is a big point, and you can expect a like reversal of 30% or 50%, right? So this is what happened over here. After opening gap up, it just came down and went to a level where market consolidated yesterday, right? If you see over here, just look at this. It came over here, it has made a pattern and it went up, right? Again it went to a resistance level, and again it came slowly, like it is coming slowly downward. Just look at this. Again when came at the same level, it is again moving up, right? So it is trying to make a pattern, right? So this thing, when we realize this thing, I will just show you when I got this, right? So when I saw this momentum in on 5 minute time frame, just look at this. Market went up, right? Just look at this. So market opened a gap up over here, it went down, but it is not coming straight away down, right? So this explains that there is a retracement, right? So this is not the trend, this is a retracement. Again if you see, this is the trend, right? Because if you see, just look at, there are bullish momentum only, but here this is a retracement, guys. Just look at this. This is not a strong trend, this is a strong trend, because when it went up, it just went with multiple green candles and small red candles. But here if you see, after like big red candle, there are green candles, red candle, green candle. That means this trend looks a bit, we can say this is not a trend, right? Obviously we can say this is not a trend, right? Again if you see, it is making a pattern which is symmetrical triangle pattern, right? So you can draw like this also, or you can draw like this also, because this is also a valid trend, right? But the important thing is that when you have to take entry, you cannot take entry at this level, right? Because if you see, already the momentum is done, now sellers will try to push market upside, right? So it will consolidation, false breakout, or any consolidation, it can do like this. So wait for here at breakdown of this level, or after giving a like a false breakout, and after giving like after that false breakout, when market tries to give upside and closes the candle green, then you can take entry. But here if go straight away upside, you can't take entry, or you have to take entry in 1 minute, put the stop loss below the candle. But as per the price action, and as per the price action of options, you can clearly see these options are not moving that much faster, right? If you see over here, I will switch to the 5 minute time frame, this option, and just look at this option right over here. Just look at this. These option graphs are exhausted, they are not moving up, right? If you see, the index movement is very much upside, there is a small pullback in option. Index mode very small downside, but option just hit the previous low. Just look at this low is still valid, this low is still valid, but here in option it has made a new low, and exactly it is down by almost 20%, right? So this is what you have to focus on it. When it gives breakout, still you will not able to find the trend, it has to give the breakout on both the time frame, right? So you wait for a price action, right, like this price action, and here a price action like this, and then you can go here, like go and buy over here. Definitely you can, like here it can make a pattern, like okay, let me show you. It will go straight away down like this, but here it will start trend like this, and then after at a point it will start fast movement, right? So at that time you have to take entry, you have to take benefit. Till then you just wait and watch, wait for this price action, Like just look at this, and currently the price action is like this. Okay, I will delete this, I will show over here, right? Currently the price action is like this, right? What happened? Okay, I will just delete this. Like this, right? If you see, it is making lower lows, right? So when this happens, you take entry and you can take benefit of it, right? Till then, just sit back and enjoy. Nothing, like you have to do nothing over there, right? Okay, that's it. Small video update, nothing.